Hello, it's Reesie-WIT-A-Spoon, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy smoothie. Today's smoothie is going to be a kale smoothie with mixed berries. Very simple. We know that we have to find a way to get our nutrients. We need to get our vegetables. We need to get our fruit, because we know that they are loaded with antioxidants, loaded with vitamins and minerals that are going to keep us going, give us energy, and help our bodies stay away from disease. It will give you a nice little pep throughout your day. Let's go through each step. Now, these are the things that you are going to need. You're going to need kale, and I would say a nice little, I'm going to say a medium sized plateful. And the reason why I'm going with this amount, I want my smoothie to be made up of mostly vegetables. Try to make sure that you make your smoothie more vegetable than fruit, okay? Also, in this smoothie, we are not going to use anything that is a pure sucrose sugar. If you are looking for a way to come off sugar or sweets, that sort of thing, then when you make your smoothies, do not add anything that has sucrose sugar in it. Wean your body off of sugary products. This smoothie is a great way to do that. So you need kale. You're going to need bananas. Now let me tell you, a smoothie is not a smoothie until you have bananas. Strawberries. And what I do is I go and I get the frozen strawberries, because I know that these are going to last. You can put these in your freezer for a long time and you don't have to worry about them going bad. Okay? Dark cherries. And you can also get this frozen as well. And you need blueberries. Now let me tell you, the nutrients that are found in blueberries are wonderful. You need a little flaxseed. Now, to me, this is just an extra little nutrient that I put into my smoothies to just kind of give it an enhancement in the taste, you know, give it a little seed taste. Here's the type of water that I'm going to choose to use. I prefer to use fresh water, water found from a bottle, if I can, water that's store-bought, because I'm not really big on using tap water. What we need to do is we need to hook up our machine, get it ready to go here, and we're going to bring it closer. So we're just going to put our little attachments here together, get it ready. Here's my top, ready to go. First thing we need to do is cut up or cut down our kale, okay? So let's cut it down. Let's chop it down. Chop it down a little bit, okay? And we're going to make sure we get our stems out. You can also buy kale that already has the stems taken out. It's nice and cut down for us, okay? Then we're going to just throw that into the blender. Just like that. All right, and next, we're going to cut up our bananas. All right, you're going to take that, throw that into the smoothie. Bananas, all of that, ready to go, okay? We add our fruit. Now, we're going to add water. Now, I like to just add I add water about halfway for now. And then I'll come back later and I'll add what I think is necessary. And I like to add my wonderful flaxseed. You can get this. This one is called Bob's Red Meal. And you can pick this up at Food Lion. You can pick it up at any grocery store. Okay? And it's best to get it ground up so that you won't take it in chunks. And what I would do is I would put about 2 teaspoons of this. Okay, and of course, y'all know from my last videos that I really don't do a lot of measuring. So when I'm cooking, I cook with my, with what I feel. I cook by what I feel. The more and more you learn to cook and, you know, you learn to do things in the kitchen, you're going to get to a point where you just feel everything out, okay? And I know for some of you new people who are messing around in the kitchen, you got to hear measurements, you want specifics, and that I can give you, but it's going to be more of an approximate. Let's get our famous blueberries, and you can find these anywhere as well. You can find them in Walmart, you can find them in Food Lion, anywhere that you go, okay? All right, here we go. There's a few of those in there. Now, what I do typically is, once I get all this stuff ground up, because a lot of this, you know, you can't put in at one time, but once I get all this stuff ground up, sometimes I'll go back and add more fruit or something like that, and you'll see me do that, okay? And it's okay to do that. So now we're going to put our strawberries in. Just a few for now, but I probably will go back and add a few more. It's beautiful though. If you look, that is very beautiful. And then I check and see the consistency, check on the consistency. And so that's what I want to do right now. Just take a moment and mix things together a little more. And cherries, not cherry, yes, blueberries and cherries to give it that darker appearance. As you can see. So let's give it a try. Let's see what it tastes like. We're going to take a few berries. I'm going to take a few blueberries. We're going to take a few blueberries and just throw it in there like that. Because what we want is we want them to be able to just taste a few as they're eating. Then we want to cut a strawberry in half partially. I cut that strawberry in half partially. And we're going to take that and put that right on top, just like that. And then we're going to take a piece of kale and we're going to stick it in there, just as a quick little decoration. Now see, you got a decorative drink that is very enticing. See that? Let me tell you, this is a very simple way to get your vegetables, to get your fruit, and you don't even have to worry about sugar inside of there. It's gonna make a difference in your body. You are going to satisfy your guests. Please like and subscribe and enjoy this wonderful smoothie. Bye bye.